So a lot of you know that this show, Creative License, by the way, welcome to Creative License, I'm Bill Herman, is sponsored by not only my workshop, the Entertainment Experience, but Electrovoice. And I use Electrovoice stuff almost exclusively, especially their speakers. I've got some ETXs, and today I'm going to be in a ballroom that I thought I might be using my ETXs, the big 18-inch subs in my 15s, but I don't know that it's necessary. Today, I'm going to be using something else. In fact, come on in here and I'll show you the space that we're going to be using. This place is called the Medina Entertainment Center. They do a lot of concerts here on a regular basis, and today they do weddings. As you can see, they've taken over the dance floor and done a beautiful job making sure that this is going to be a great thing. But instead of my ETXs, which I don't know that I need for a room that's about 250 people with a great big open dance floor, today I'm going to use the Evolve 50s. And I know you've heard about them, and I've got the Evolve 50s, and they are amazing. Here's what they look like right now, not even set up. This is the Evolve 50 bass unit, and then they're the sticks that go up on top, okay? So what I wanted to show you today is not only that I do use them, because I do, but how really easy they are and how great they sound. On the video, you might not be able to see or hear how great they sound, but I'm going to show you exactly how easy they are to set up, because if you're anything like me, I'm a DJ and I'm an actor and I'm an artist, but I'm not a tech guy. So one of the things I like about these is technically they're great for people that are idiots like me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up and I'm going to time it. In fact, come with me here. Let me grab my phone. Whoa! Let me grab my phone and I'll do the timer here. Let's see here. As you can see too, these are very, very durable as I knocked one over. Okay, so let me turn my timer on and here we go, stopwatch. And I'm hitting go right now, and I'm going to set it up and get sound for you right now. So, it's as easy as this. You got your unit, you throw it on the floor, okay? Great. In here are the units that go on top, okay? And they're very simple. Just unzip them. If you get the cases, I recommend getting the cases. There are cases for these as well. But there are two things right here. 1, 2. See? Now I'm not even going to look at either end because I don't have to. Both ends are the same, so they go in the same way, so it doesn't really matter. I pop it in, okay, and I pop it in. Now I'm going to plug this in, okay. As you can see in the back, we'll just plug it in the cord and bring in the other one over here, plug it into the system, okay. Okay, we got the audio cord is set up, so now I got power. Okay, simple power cord goes in the back. Of course, that's easy as well. I gotta step around it here. I'm not as skinny as I look. And plug it in. So in the back, the power is simple, right there. Okay, boom. Once it's on, you've got all kinds of connectors and all kinds of things and settings you can do. But that's one. I'm already set up for one. Follow me over here, we'll set up another. Okay? I don't even have to talk about this one because I told you how I did this one. All these little things are getting in my way, but it's still happening really fast. Okay, once again, I don't have to look. Just drop it in. I don't have to snap it in. It just drops in. And if I'm smart enough to find the end, it goes on like that. Okay? Move it forward. Get my power. Plug my power in. Okay. Get my audio. Once again, I don't know what I'm doing. Really, I know how to plug things in and turn things on. That's what I do. There. And power here. And turn it on there. Make sure the light comes on. Come over to my unit. Turn on the unit. And that's how you get sound. And that's how long it takes. And over here, it took me 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 minutes and 40 seconds, and we're set up. That's how that works. Why do you think I love EV? That's one of the reasons I like EV. Plus, this is not turned up at all, and it's pretty loud. It's a great system, and you should think about getting it. It's the Electrovoice EV Evolve 50. I'm Bill Herman. This is Entertainment Experience Creative License, and I'll see you next time. Bye.